golden.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
We're ready. Right, nice and steady. Do not drop them. Fast as you can, okay?
I'm a bit worried about having a lot of pastry first on a 5-course meal. Piling on the calories, team.
I'm willing to do that for my country.
We're gonna plate, all right? Go, go, go.
Okay.
Now this is about flavour, okay? It will naturally look good, I promise. Yes! Beautiful. You're nearly there. Get your green oil on. Start sending these, okay? That's it. Go. Well done.
Oh,
well
you
done,
so
mate.
much.
Well done. All right?
Yeah.
Look at that. You made that.
Oh, that was so cool.
This is exciting, guys.
Wow.
It was very cool. Very, very cool.
Alison's dish is pumpkin pie with maple glazed bacon and white truffle.
Oh, that's an amazing smell, isn't it? Wow. I think it's delicious. I love the pumpkin pie because it's one of my favourites.
This pastry is excellent.
I wouldn't eat truffle by itself, but mixing it together with the pumpkin pie and the bacon, it all goes together. Yeah, it's nice.
I'm going to be the first to finish. This is very undiplomatic of me. I thought it was great.
That is a brilliant, brilliant combination of sweet and savoury. That's delightful.
I think Alison's done a great job.
Steve, I need to catch up.
Yep.
And we're going to go in 10 minutes. Is that okay?
That's no problem.
Good boy.
With the first course late, Steve must now quickly bring his dish together. He has to fry off the crab Scotch eggs and char the sweet corn for the chowder.
Into there. Fold it round nicely. One more taste. Bit more lime, bit more lemon, okay? And that is lovely. Well done. Go, 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 go. Right, now, go, go. Now, eggs. Go on, go on, go on. Good man, good man. Off you go, off you go. All right? And look at those.
Oh, mate, that's beautiful.
Come on.
I'm so proud of you. It looks amazing. Well done. OK, right, no, you haven't stopped. Go. Blitz your sauce. Into one jug.
So how much?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Lovely.
1, 2.
Lovely. Right, away you go.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, wow.
Thank you so much. This looks absolutely spectacular.
It's actually really enjoyable. The most nerve-wracking bit is pouring the sauce on their plate, I think. Yeah.
Steve's dish is a Maryland crab Scotch egg on top of a clam chowder served with a crab bisque.
Scotch eggs are relatively new in my life. To have the delicious crab around the egg, I will use words such as yummy.
The bisque, I think it's been very, very well done.
It's kind of ruined me for any other kind of Scotch egg. That's the shame of it. It's delicious to have that very tangy crab meat.
Sweetness of the crab comes through, lovely crispy Scotch egg. That's lovely.
Beautifully executed by Steve. The sauce, that bisque, is fantastic.